Hello, I am Win Pa Pa Khine. I'd like to introduce you to the class of student social. I'm a student at LINN Education attending the fourth grade class to improve my English. In class, we focus on developing four important language skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. The teachers at LINN Education are very helpful and they create a friendly learning environment. I'm learning new words every day and practicing how to use them in sentences. The lessons are interesting and interactive, making it easier for me to understand and remember things. I feel more confident in my English skills and I am excited to continue my learning journey at LINN Education. In addition, we often engage in group activities and conversations to enhance our speaking skills. The classroom is equipped with modern technology. We have listen to different English accents, making it easier to understand native speakers. I also enjoy reading various texts from short stories to articles to broaden my vocabularies and comprehension. The writing exercises are structured, allowing me to express my thoughts and ideas in English. Overall, my experience at LINN Education has been positive and I can see significant progress in my English language proficiency. I look forward to continuing my learning and achieving even greater fluency.